how you can see who has shared your post on Facebook. So for that, you need to go to Facebook and then go to your profile section, which is on the top right corner. And then we need to scroll down and go to settings and privacy. And inside of settings and privacy, we need to go to settings. And now, when this type of section is loaded, you need to scroll down, go down, take a look slowly at everything, take your time and then browse. And then finally, you need to go to your notification part, which is on the top section itself, right here. After you go to notifications, there are different kinds of topics about what notification you will receive on your phone, like comments, if somebody has tagged you in their post, reminders or more activities about you, your friends update, your friend request, people you may know, birthdays, groups, videos, events, and whatnot. But this video being about who has shared your post on Facebook, you need to go to the fourth option, which is more activity about you. Go there. Now, over here it's written Josephine Williams shared your photo. Now we can see that these are notifications for when somebody posts your timeline, reacts to your post, and more. This is simply a dummy example. Once you post something on Facebook and if someone shares it, it's gonna pop right here, and this is how you can check. It's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and follow us for more similar contents.